JVC's TK-C215 security camera saves costly installation time and provides more convenience and more performance features than any other dome camera on the market. The TK-C215 is easy to install. First, attach the fall prevention wire to the camera. Then, connect the video signal cable. Connect the power supply cable, wrap insulation tape around all cables. The TK-C215 is designed to easily mount directly to a ceiling tile. Just insert a screwdriver into the recessed screws to position the tabs over the ceiling tile. After the camera is popped into the ceiling tile, just aim, focus, and mount the camera and replace the dome. The JVC-TK-C215 is available with varifocal lenses, either 4 or 12 times auto iris lens and 540 lines of resolution, the highest video resolution in the surveillance industry. It has easy day-night function, which assures around-the-clock optimum imaging performance, triple axis rotation system which provides for installation virtually anywhere, and an alarm zoom that triggers screen size setting during normal and alarm input circumstances. The JVC-TK-C215 is compatible with a standard 4 or 6-inch electrical box and offers multiple installation options, including surface mounting or flush mounting to a ceiling or a wall. JVC's TK-C215 security camera, convenience, flexibility, and performance from the pros at JVC.